Hi, my name is James White and I will show you the Fitrix Media Clipboard feature. The Media Clipboard allows you to easily import any Windows media file, such as a document, spreadsheet, or photograph, directly into your Fitrix database and store it as part of the associated screen record. Once it's in the database, it becomes a permanent part of the record and is easily retrieved. Let's take a look at one example. Let's look up a customer and attach a document to the customer record. First, we'll go into the customer screen and bring up a customer. Let's use Action Auto Parts. Here's the Documents button, and we can click on that without going into update mode. And we can see that someone has already imported several documents and attached them to Action Auto Parts. To see a document, all we have to do is point to it and click View. Here's a picking ticket that someone has scanned and imported. So let's view this. It's a PDF file, so when we view it, the document is loaded directly from the Fitrix database record into your PDF viewer. Here's another document. This one's a spreadsheet someone made of an account analysis, and they've stored it with this customer. Let's view that. So this time a spreadsheet was extracted from the database and launched into Microsoft Excel. Here's another. This is an email. Outlook lets you drag an individual email to your desktop, and from there someone has imported this email into Fitrix and attached it to this customer. We can view the email. The media attachment feature can also store images. Here's the customer's logo. Notice that instead of using the View button, I can just double click to view. Now that you have an idea of the types of documents and other files that can be imported into Fitrix, let's see how easy it is to import one ourselves. Since I'm not in update mode on this customer record, I can only view. In order to add or delete, I must update the customer record, since these documents are part of that record. So let's close this window and go into update mode, and now go back into the document window. To add a new document, I position to a new row and click Add. I can now import any document or media that I can get to from my Windows PC. Here's the BLObs folder where I've got a number of documents. Here's a Word document. Let's just try that one. So I'll just double click, and we need to type in a description. And press the Tab key. That's how easy it is to import a document. Now let's try to view that from Fitrix. So just point to the document and click the View button. Notice that it exported the Word document from Fitrix and launched it in Word. Let's try another one. Water lilies is a photograph. It's a JPEG file. We just double click, give a description, press the Tab key. Now it's been imported permanently into the database, and we can click View and see our photograph. One more just for fun. WALL-E is a movie clip. Let's import WALL-E. WALL-E's now imported into the database. Let's go ahead and save the record so you can see that it's permanently stored in the database as part of the customer record. And now we can click the documents in view mode again, and here's our video. We'll double click and we'll see the video clip start to play. Let's just move to the middle. So there's an example of another type of media. So you are not just limited to documents or images. The Fitrix Media Clipboard can import any type of Windows file, and when you view it, it will use the Windows Association to launch it in the proper viewer. All of your documents and media are safely stored and backed up with the rest of your Fitrix software and are easily retrieved as part of the record you imported them into. Just like the Fitrix Notepad feature, the Media Clipboard is available on every screen in Fitrix and tied to the current record on your screen, so you decide when and how you want to make use of it. Thank you for your time, and let us know if you need any more information on this feature.